Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today is the February 2019 Boxy unboxing. So I got my Boxy in the mail for February. Like I said, I already cut the little thing because I don't have scissors on my desk anywhere. I need to keep telling myself to put them on my desk, but I never do. Some people just don't learn. So, and that is me. So, but anyways, I'm excited to get this box with you guys. So, and this is what it looks like when you open it up. And just to let you guys, Boxy Charm is $21 a month. I do have a referral link in the description below. If you want to use my code, that's up to you. If you do use it, you do get a extra product in your box. So, just a little heads up. So here we go. We're going to open it up, and that's what it looks like in the inside. And this month is Afterglow, and on this side it tells you all the products and the prices. So let's get into this box. So the first thing I see here is the Pretty Vulgar palette, and it says, where are you? Okay, here you are. This is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter. Allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter infused with glow-loving, light-reflecting, and pearlescent pigments. This highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness, and this retails for $32, so this already pays for your box. So, and that's what it looks like, and we'll do a little swatcheroo. So, and that is it. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. That is very, very pretty. So next I see the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I have not tried this. I'm excited to try this. And this says indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. It's film formatting polymers lock your lashes into a perfect curl, and this retails for $24, so this also is more than what the box cost. The next thing I see in this box is the No Pore Blend Primer by Touch in Sol. I have this already. It's nice for an $18 primer. You can't go wrong. It is very, very good. And this says create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. Like I said, this manufactures for $18. So since I already have this and I have so many primers I need to go through, I am putting this in a box. So, and this is the box right here. It's already getting full, and this box right here will be for my 500 subscriber giveaway. So pretty soon I will be going through the products in this box and showing you guys how to win it. So just stay tuned. So next I see this Grande Lips Hydrating Plump Liquid Lipstick Semi Matte in Butter Rum. And where is that? So just stay tuned. So next I see this Grande Lips Hydrating Plump Liquid Lipstick Semi Matte in Butter Rum. And where is that? The Semi Matte Liquid Lipstick utilizes key active ingredients and hydrolactic acid to give your lips an instant plump in 3 to 5 minutes. It provides long-term hydrating benefits, and the long wear formula ensures color is locked in. Wear it all day long without cracking, dyeing, or striping the lips of their natural moisture. And this retails for $25. Let's open that up. And that is what it looks like, but I don't want to swatch this because I have so many liquid lipsticks. So this will also be going in the giveaway box. And next, the one thing I really didn't want, there were so many other options. I'll put the options here to the other two things that they had. But I end up getting the Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask ×2. So there's 2 sheet masks in this one, and there's 2 sheet masks in this one. I don't know if they meant to give you a 4-pack or if they meant to only give you 2. I have no idea. It says the sheet mask is your new pre-party ritual. This holographic sheet mask combines probiotics and skin superfoods to give your skin that lights up a room, and this MSR is for $24. And since there is 2 of them, I am going to keep 2 for myself and put 2 in the giveaway. So for this box, like we just recap, we got 4 sheet masks, the Grande Lips, the Touch and Soul primer, the Pretty Vulgar palette, and the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm very excited to try this. And that is it for this month's box. So I am super excited to have this. We did not get an eyeshadow palette this month, but that's okay. I have so many, so this is a nice change. Also, I wanted you guys to don't forget, I do have that James Charles palette giveaway. We are so close for me sending that out to one of you guys. Just make sure that you have commented on that video, you have watched the whole video, not just, you know, 2 seconds of it, and that you are subscribed to this channel. And I'll leave the link right here because I know a lot of people say they're having a hard time finding the link. So, but I hope you guys have a wonderful and a magical day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.